doesn't want to give me a kiss. I guess that means I'm ugly. I guess that means I'm not attractive. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Tweeetbird, and I am back with another video. So as you can tell by the title, spend 4th of July with me. Happy Independence Day, all that good jazz. We are going to Jacksonville, Florida. I know we're going to the beach. I don't know anything else about what's going on today, but let's get ready. We were supposed to be leaving between 2:45 and 3:15. Last time I checked, it was probably like 3 o'clock. We're not leaving by 3:15. I'm just saying it's not happening. Let's get ourselves together. I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, put my clothes on, and then do my hair last. Don't know why, but that's what we're gonna do in that order. Thank you. The lighting is literally not that great in here, but that's neither here nor there, so whatever. Let's wash our face. All right. Still a little damp. I forget, it's 4th of July. People are popping fireworks, and it is probably about to thunderstorm because it is thundering outside. Now let's go put our clothes on. Well, actually, let's put some lotion on. All right, dress is on. It's really kind of funny looking, but I think the thread broke from up off of that. That's why it's look kind of weird, but whatever. Let's get ready to put our hair on. Why are you smiling? This is a sensational wig. This is the Sensational Unit name Braylon Money Piece Caramel. She's cute. We've had her before. I just don't like that it doesn't come with a band in the back. All right, so it has started raining outside. My boyfriend just found a baby bat outside. So that was interesting. Let's brush this hair out a little. It's very cute, super long. It's not super long, but it's long enough. I love the little money piece in the front. Gives it a bit of pizzazz. It does have like a bit of a little hump right there. So I got this hair wax stick. I really don't like putting hair wax on my synthetic wigs, but it is what it is today. Now, typically I wouldn't tell you to put a hot comb to a synthetic hair, but I'm trying to get this hump down. But if you have to use a hot comb, use the back and go quickly across. Babe. Now I know it's probably not done being glued down, but I do have to move a little bit quickly. My nose is like so dry. Okay, let's get ready to cut the lace. Okie dokie. We are ready to boogie oogie. Well, I am. I don't know about him. He was outside washing off his windshield because he's a man. Jacksonville is approximately 90 minutes away. So I'll probably take my van off when we get there. I'm ready.
Cool.
Are you ready?
I will be.
Okay. I look pretty?
Yes, ma'am.
I look pretty. And you look comfortable. Time is currently 4:07. We said we was gonna be trying to leave by 2:45, 3:15. It's neither my fault or his fault. Like, we both just, I don't know. He's currently going to go throw the bat out somewhere. I don't know where he's going to put the bat, but maybe he's just going to put it far, far away. Yeah, so we're going to Jacksonville. Did he get the blankets? I don't know if he got the towels. He forgot the towels, what'd I tell you? I knew it. He's parked in the middle of the road and there's a car coming. Oh, he comes. You wanna know something crazy? I was talking to the camera and I was like, I feel like he forgot the towels. And as soon as he came to the door, he was like, you got the towels. It's like, wow. Maybe we thought about it at the same time. You think so?
Quite possible.
Quite possible. Want to say hey?
Hey. And I said,
What a wonderful time to play.
it's not how it goes.
Oh.
It's what a wonderful kind of day where we learn to work and play and get along with each other.
Because you would know.
I would. Thank you.
Wasn't that the song that was stuck in your head?
That's my job.
Right, it's not my childhood.
Not after your time. Or
Right.
before your time.
Oh my God, it's my side. You just don't care.
What are you talking about?
There was a car coming and you still turned, and that would have been my side.
Do you not trust my driving skills?
I do.
I do.
I'm just saying.
Super Saiyan. You don't know
Anyways,
about that. Anyways.
it's a 90-minute drive, or as I like to say, an hour 30. So I shall return. Tell him you gonna call him back.
What are you talking about?
Tell him you gonna call him back.
Who?
The camera.
We'll call you back.
Time is currently 6 something. Made it to Jacksonville. Time is currently, what time is it? 7:30. 7:26. We just finished getting something to eat. I had me a French 75. He had him a Long Island iced tea. And we shared blackened tenders with some fries. Do you remember what the place was called?
I already did an Uber.
Mangoes?
Mangoes, maybe. Who knows? Cow.
To the flag of the United States.
Yes, I got some more.
Hey, it be going, okay? Just beginning, you know what I'm saying?
I might be a little tipsy. It's currently 10 o'clock. I don't know if I'm tipsy or if I'm drunk, but I feel like I'm tipsy. And we're about to head back to Savannah from Jacksonville. Did you have a good day, baby?
I did.
I had a good day. I had an amazing day. I made friends I didn't think I would meet today. You know what I mean? I thought I was going to be like quiet and closed off to myself, but I wasn't. And now we're about to watch Love Island on the way back home. Because what's life without a little bit of drama? That doesn't have anything to do with you. Right, babe? He doesn't want to give me kisses. I guess that means I'm ugly. I guess that means I'm not attractive.
Oh my Lord. That's a little sister.
We had a good day in Jacksonville. We still have to go to the beach because we went to the beach, but we didn't get to like relax on the beach and enjoy each other on the beach. We kind of just went to the beach and walked for 10 to 15 minutes. Wow.
Focus on.
He doesn't like me, y'all, because any other man would have given me a kiss.
Hush up.